In today's video, you'll learn how to delete your Badoo account. A lot of people reach a point where they no longer want to use the app, whether you've met someone special or just need a break from dating. Whatever the reason, deleting your account is simple, and I'll walk you through each step. To begin, open the Badoo app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving forward. Once you're inside the app, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look for the gear icon at the top of the screen and tap it to access settings. Inside the settings menu, find and tap on Account. This next step is important. Scroll to the bottom of the account page and tap on Delete Account. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete your account. If you are, choose Delete Your Account from the options shown, then tap Continue. At this point, Badoo will ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. Just pick the one that best matches your situation. To finish up, tap Delete Account once again to confirm, and that's it. Your Badoo account is now deleted. But hold on. If you change your mind after deletion, you still have time. Badoo gives you a 28-day grace period to recover your account. Just log back in using your old credentials during that window and follow the recovery steps Badoo provides. And there you have it. A simple step-by-step guide to deleting your Badoo account. That's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.